Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today's topic is joint sitting of two houses. This device is used to resolve a deadlock between the two houses over a passage of a bill. The President summons both the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha to meet in the joint sitting for purpose of deliberating and voting on a bill. The Speaker of Lok Sabha presides over the joint sitting of two houses, and the Deputy Speaker will preside if the Speaker is absent. If the Deputy Speaker is also absent from the joint sitting, the Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha presides over it. It is important to note that the Chairman of Rajya Sabha does not preside over the joint sitting because he is not a member of either house of the Parliament. The quorum to constitute a joint sitting is 1/10 of total number of members of two houses. Also, note that the joint sitting is governed by rules of procedure of Lok Sabha and not that of Rajya Sabha. Now, what is the majority that is needed to pass a bill in joint sitting? It is simple majority, that is total number of members of both the houses present and voting. Normally, the Lok Sabha wins the battle in joint sitting because it has greater number of members. Now let us see what are the situations where joint sitting is needed. 1. If the bill is rejected by the other house. 2. If the houses have finally disagreed as to the amendments to be made in the bill. Next 3. If more than 6 months have elapsed from the date of receipt of bill by the other house without the bill being passed by it. Also, note that the provision of joint sitting is applicable only to ordinary bills or financial bills, and it is not applicable to money bills or constitutional amendment bills. Also, there is no provision of joint sitting in the case of state legislature. Next, if the bill under dispute has already lapsed due to dissolution of Lok Sabha, then joint sitting cannot be summoned. The bills that have been passed using the device of joint sitting till now are Dowry Prohibition Bill 1960, Banking Services Commission Bill 1977, Prevention of Terrorism Bill 2002. Now let us see a question based on this. A deadlock between the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha calls for a joint sitting of Parliament during the passage of 1. Ordinary legislation, 2. Money Bill, 3. Constitution Amendment Bill. Select the correct answer. So, as we discussed earlier, joint sitting can be used for only ordinary legislation and we cannot use it for money bill and constitutional amendment bill. So, the answer is A, 1 only. Thank you.